Hello there, my name is Kate Stone and welcome to Myologie. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about upper cross syndrome. Upper cross syndrome is where you have the rounded shoulders and the forward head. It's very commonly seen amongst people who work desk jobs or those who are looking down at devices for extended periods of time. When the head is in good anatomical alignment, meaning the ears in line with the shoulder, that's the ideal. However, for every inch that my head moves past my shoulders, my head gets heavier and heavier. So, for an example, if I have my neck at 15 degrees of cervical flexion, now my head will weigh approximately 27 pounds. If I'm 60 degrees in cervical flexion, that's 60 pounds of weight that my neck, my discs, my spine, my upper back have to hold up. So it's very strenuous, and it's very common to hear people complain about having chronic upper back and neck issues, headaches. You can get pinched nerves, so you can get radiating pain down the arm, you get numbing, tingling into the hands. And so today I'm going to show you how to easily correct this. So let's take this upper cross syndrome posture and we'll exaggerate it a little bit. So what we're going to do here is we're going to look up, not all the way up, but just fixate our gaze on something straight ahead. From here, we're going to bring our chin back as far as we can without any pain or discomfort. And then we're going to squeeze our shoulder blades back. And as they're squeezed back, we're going to try to depress them down just a little bit. And we're going to hold this position for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Again, I'm going to exaggerate it again. So we're going to look up, fixing our gaze on something straight ahead. We're going to bring our chin back as far as we can without any pain. Squeeze our shoulder blades back and then press them down and hold. 3, 2, 1, relax. We're going to do 3 repetitions every hour, and this is to increase the endurance of the muscles. Now, I'm pretty confident we all know at least one, if not several people, or maybe even ourselves, who suffer from the upper cross syndrome posture. So if you found this to be informative, please consider liking. Help support Myologie by subscribing to the channel. Click the notification so you never miss a video when they come out. And most importantly, if you know someone who could benefit from this information, please share this with them. Write any comments or questions below. I'll make sure to get back to those as soon as I can. And thank you for watching.